Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create Drizella from Cinderella on Dress to Impress. So again, I'll remove everything except for the hair and the hair accessories as well. So for the hair, I use this one in No Bangs Toggle in this hair color, this one over here. For the adjustments, I did Y at 0.47 and Z at 0.6. Scaled it to 0.51. Select this hair, color it the same, position it at Y at 0.67, Z at 0.69, scaled it to 0.25. Select this updo and color it the same, no adjustments needed. Select this hair in only bangs and no adjustments needed for that in that same hair color. Select this headband here and color it this color, 639F90. Position it at Y 0.52, rotate it at X 0.34, and scale it to 0.43. For the feather, use this from VIP, color it the same in light silk, or you can do silk. Position it at X 0.46, Y 0.65, Z 0.92, rotate the Y axis, the Y at 1, and scale it the same. I guess I didn't really scale it. Alright, now time for the outfit. We're going to wear essentially similar things to Anastasia last time. So we're going to select the sleeves and we're going to color it this green 95CB63 in a light silk. And then we're going to get this skirt in only skirt in that same green color. And this too in that same green color. Ignore the back, just ignore it. And then we're going to use this Roblox item. If you don't have it, that is obviously super fine with me. Select this as the first color, and then this as the second color, and then this as the third color. Then for the top, we're going to use the same thing here in matte in that same color. Okay, turn off texture, don't forget about that. Okay, and then for the other part of the skirt, we're going to use this in this color here. Whoops. First one in this color in like a light silk. And then this color, 639F90 in a light silk. And then this color in a light silk as well. Then we're going to get that choker again and color it this color here, 639F90 in a silk color. And that is how you can create Drizella from Cinderella on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!